Hello, my name is Ada and this is my daughter Adele.
Hello.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be making something really delicious from Nigeria. We're making soup. Guess what that soup will be?
Egusi Soup.
Egusi Soup is one of Nigeria's favorite. Like, we love this soup and we're going to show you how we make it. So come with us to the kitchen where we show you how we make our Nigerian recipe Egusi Soup. Then we see you in a bit.
Bye.
Bye. I feel so full. I've just finished eating my egusi soup and it was really delicious. But trust me, there's still room for some fruit. So now I'm going to go to the garden and get myself a few pears and sit back and eat. That's my dessert. We're trying to eat healthy. Yeah, I will get myself some pears in the garden. You wanna come with me? We have this one. I need 4 or 5 would do. One of these days I'm going to make pear pie, and I've been googling and searching for how to make pear cider. I think this should be fine. I don't want to. These pears. I got myself some pears and I'm just going to sit down and eat this. Yeah, this is my dessert. I'm trying to eat healthy like I said before. So yeah, I'll just eat this and relax. How is that? This special of pear is really good. Actually, come have a taste.
Okay.
If you want some, you can go and get some.
Huh?
You can take another one if you want to. Yummy.
It's sweet too.
It's sweet, you.
Yeah.
Okay. I think after this I will just, what would I do? I don't know. I will just sit down and watch TV. I think that's what I will do.